guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below ideas you want to see on my channel, and also if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my top 10 fall lipsticks. Oh my gosh, these lipsticks are lipsticks I have been riding with for years. I love them so much, and these ones I definitely recommend. As you guys can see, I have really big lips and I'm a brown skin girl, and sometimes it get really hard to find lipsticks that will match my skin tone, my lips, because you don't want to do too much that will like make your lips look like duck lips, and at the same time you don't want to like slow it down a little bit because you want your lips to like pop up. Like, I don't know, for some reason I used to be insecure about my lips in high school, but now I just embrace it. I have big lips. People are actually paying for their lips now in 2020, and I did not pay for my lips, so I'm really proud of them and I want to show it off. Okay, by the way, I'm not naked. I am wearing a top. Okay, it's just that it's just showing a lot of my skin, but I'm actually not naked. Okay, so let's go. Yes, I changed my headband because I have way too many options. By the way, it's from LumiSpice.com. Okay guys, so that's all of my favorites for fall. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, especially this one from Kylie Cosmetics. Like, it have like an orange tint, reddish vibe, and I love it. Like, it's just perfect for fall. Like, oh my god, I cannot wait to go to like an event. Like, I can't wait for things to open. Like, I am so tired of this COVID. If you're tired of COVID, just thumbs up this video, okay? If you're tired of COVID. If you're tired, thumbs up this video, comment down below if you're tired, because I am tired. I want to go out. I want to show off my makeup. I want to show off my outfits. Like, it's so annoying. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the whole video. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.